Good morning, everyone. This is another day, another hike time. This is again another beautiful place. We will go to the beach again. And there they are coming. And Shamira is walking now, and she like it so much. Again, we see the horses. Ja,
Nee, geen bijzonder
Grote schapen. Dat is ook een
how old are you, mom? Mom,
What?
how old are you?
How old?
Yeah.
I'm 82.
Oh, but you are still strong. Ayan, Uma can climb the stairs. And she can climb the mountain also. Our stora Uma.
Oppassen. Kom, oh wacht, dan wil ik een pad.
Hier is het groot. Maar die afgelopen
Nagbisita na naman kami sa aming pastuhan. Marami kaming sheeps. Ayan ang karniro namin. And Shamira? What is that? Moo? What? No, it's me. It's me. Bye?
Moo,
Yeah.
moo.
Yeah, moo. There are the cows standing there. And Shamira is so amazing here. So many flowers here again.
Taal.
And the sun is shining a little bit.
Mama, je hebt grijshaar.
Ja.
Mag ik die uithalen?
Nee. Yay! Very good, Shami.
Wanna take my horse and rope on the ride. Do I get no more? Going to the beach, waar ik kan zeggen.
Zit er maar niemand, hè? Dat is mooi, hè? Ja. Ga even die kant op.
Going to the beach, waar ik kan zeggen.
Mooi, hè?
Niet meer. Ja, hoe? Ken je het liedje dan?
Did you hear Shamira? Wow. Again, you see moo? Yeah, it's horses, Sham. So many horses, huh?
Kijk daar.
Oh, dat was ook bij hoe heet het?
Hier. Oh, dat is-
Papa, misschien kunnen we daar naartoe.
Ja, daar gaan we naartoe. Daar gaan we naartoe. We zullen even kijken. Blijf lekker.
So nice.
are walking to the beach.
Like stop.
Oh, does it now?
Hindi ko na ma-erase yung ano ni ate. Yung sinabi ko kanina na i-erase to. So, nandito na kami sa beach. Nagabula-bula ang beach. Ayan. And the other. What are you doing, Te? Oh, sand in the balloon. So nice flowers. Oh my God. So nice. Different colors of flowers ang nadaanan namin. Ayan, nandoon na sila. And may makikita kang mga ducks, wild ducks. Ayan. It's very nice flowers. So flowers. Another flowers. And again, so many flowers again on the way. Yan. Oh, I like this also. Wow, so nice here. Yan, when you are hiking, dito, makikita mo to sa mga daanan, lahat ng mga kulay ng bulaklak. Gusto ko sana lahat, i-video yung way. Ang ganda niya talaga. Dahil, mga bulaklak ay nasa daanan, nasa field. Ayan, ang kaganda talaga. Parang nasa heaven ka dito. Kunwari, yeah. Pero yung feeling ko, parang nasa heaven ka talaga. Kasi ang ganda, relaxing siya talaga. Ayan. Tapos, pag ano mo dito, andyan na yung sea, oh. Ayan. So, very nice siya talaga. Saan ka pa niyan makakita ng napaka-relaxing na place?